experience nostalgia have what they call increasing social connectedness. That is, they have a stronger sense of belonging and acceptance in the present day. They feel more connected, more related to people than those who don't have that experience. That's one thing. Second thing is what they call augmented self-continuity. And this makes a lot of sense when you think of it, that people sort of see themselves as an ongoing human being, not just in this moment, but they kind of see themselves in terms of their longer life. And that actually does good things for one's psychological well-being in one's brain, actually. Now, here's one of the things I find most fascinating about these nostalgia exercises. And again, these are things that have been replicated by scientists over and over. So it's not just some guy out there on the internet, making stuff up. That people who go through a nostalgic experience have what they say is a strengthened motivation to pursue one's most important goal. In other words, when people go back and remember the past, something happens in their brains that helps them to focus on what matters most in the present. Now, that is really interesting. And it's almost so contrary to what we might think would be the case.